Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I would really like to start a coffee bar or like coffee bagel bar. I don't know. Just because I got a bunch of bagels at the store and we've started drinking a lot more coffee. If you guys are new, please subscribe. I post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I post motherhood, lifestyle kind of videos. So if you enjoy videos like this one, I bet you'll enjoy the rest of them. So this is our space. It's just a kitchen island that we got from Big Lots. I recently went to the grocery store and we don't have a lot of storage in this house, so I just threw it all right there. I mean, I'm sick. Cut me some slack, y'all. But I've been thinking about making this a coffee and a bagel center, so I have a controlled area where I can put my stuff. So let's see this transition. So this is our minimalist coffee bagel bar. I have a cute little cutting board because, you know, men, they leave their crumbs everywhere. So I figured a designated spot that I could easily remove and clean would be nice. And two of my favorite sugars. My eucalyptus towel is from Grove Collaborative, and my coffee maker and the bagel thing. Tomorrow I'll be using the Wolf Cup from Ray Dunn. So that is our minimalist coffee bar. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please leave us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching and have a great day. Do you like coffee? The thirst is real. Chug, 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 chug.